video tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of signing up for the Shein affiliate program. By becoming an affiliate, you can promote a variety of products, for example, these products on the screen right here, and you can earn commission for every successful sale. It's an accessible opportunity for anyone interested in joining the Shein affiliate program. However, unlike some websites that host their affiliate programs directly, Shein operates it through an affiliate platform called CJ Affiliate. So now to begin with, you're going to open up a new tab and head to google.com. Now once you're here, you're going to search for CJ Affiliate. CJ Affiliate right there. You're going to click on it. Now once you're here, you're going to click on the first website and then you're gonna click on get started. From here, you're gonna see two options, advertisers and agencies, or the second option is publishers and influencers. Now you'll have to go with the second option and you can click on sign up. Once you're on this page, you're gonna see a menu where you have to input many information. So language, your country. So I'm gonna begin by inputting this information. I'm gonna enter my country, my email which I'm gonna be using, and my password. All right, now I'm gonna click on I'm not a robot, fire hydrants, next, the motorcycles. All right, so you just have to verify, so you have to make sure that it's not someone simply making accounts. Now you can click on verify email. Now you're gonna be sent a confirmation email where you can now open your Gmail with the email you provided. All right, so as you can see, it's opened the first website right here, CJ Affiliate. I'm gonna click on create my CJ Publisher account. All right. After selecting your country and entering your email address and password, now you'll have to complete this process. So now you're gonna click on the checkboxes. You can go ahead and read through if you want. And now as you can see, you can't directly click on accept agreement. Now the reason is you'll have to open these documents up so that it knows that you have tried to read it up. Then you can just simply close it, or if you want, you can go ahead and read it as well, and then you can click on accept agreement. So I'm going to follow the same process for the rest of the documents. I'm going to click on it, close it, and accept agreement. Same thing, close it, and I'm going to click on accept agreement. So click on continue to account. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and finally I'm going to enter my password and click on login. All right, so now your account is successfully created. Now here is the dashboard and this is how it's going to look like. All right, so I'm going to click on home. All right, now to enhance your approval chances with different brands, you're going to navigate to your account option. And then from here on, you're going to go ahead to your network profile. I'm going to go ahead and do that. You're going to wait for the page to load. All right, so here you're gonna go ahead and describe your business. So now what, for example, let's say you're running a YouTube channel. You're gonna go ahead and describe your YouTube channel. You can just click on edit and you can go ahead and type in. Now then you have to make sure that you spend time on writing this information because the Shein brand, they will manually read through your network profile and see whether you are suitable for getting an affiliate or not. Then you can also go ahead and click on manage promotion of properties. And here is you're gonna give them information on how you're gonna promote their brand. So for example, via YouTube, social media, and etc. So I'm gonna wait for it to load. Then you can click on create property, and then you can go ahead and define your property. What is it? Is it a website, social media? You can just scroll down and see your property. You can go ahead and fill all that up. Now, once your profile is complete, so let's say you've gotten all this process done, now is where you go ahead and find do the main part. All right, so now I'm gonna click on partners and go ahead and click on find advertisers. So now I'm gonna wait for it to load. All right, now on the search bar here, I'm gonna go ahead and search in the main thing. So as I told you in this video, we're affiliating with Shein. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna type in Shein on the search bar. And there you go. I'm gonna go ahead and click on it. All right, I'm gonna click on that. I'm gonna click on search. So now as you can see, Sheen has popped up on the right hand corner. Now this is what you're gonna do here. Now here you're gonna click on apply to program. Now what's that gonna do is it's gonna send an application to Sheen. And now the thing is now it's gonna send your network profile with that as well. So that's gonna be part of your application. Now Sheen is gonna go through your application and it's gonna see whether it should hand out an affiliate link to you, which you can promote and earn commission on. So now that's very simple, and that's how you can become an affiliate member with Sheen. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.